Oh, hello. In this video, I want to have a look at QQQ. So I'll start off with a weekly chart. On a weekly basis, you can see that the QQQ has been consolidating, going sideways since taking out this level right here, which is around 313.68. It's been consolidating above that level. It hasn't closed below this level. You might say that this is a bull flag consolidation, which is constructive. If you look at the momentum indicators, they're looking positive. QQ RSI remains above the 50 level and MACD is above the zero line. So this has the look of when it was recovering from COVID low. So as long as RSI remains above the 50 level, I would expect sideways to higher prices ahead. If I move on to the daily chart, on a daily basis, you can see that it's been basically consolidating in this zone. Overall, you'll see it's making higher lows, and this could potentially be another higher low. And this consolidation is actually happening above his daily 20 and 50 moving averages. If I just hide the lines, you can see that the moving averages are going up. The green one is the daily 20, the yellow one is the daily 50, and this is the 200-day moving average. So you can see that the moving averages are going higher, which means that the short-term trend is up. This is the long-term trend, the 200-day moving average. You can see that it started to move higher again. So the overall daily pattern looks positive to me. Momentum indicators are positive. RSI remains above the 50 level. So I don't see anything negative on a daily basis. So if I bring in the levels, so this is an important level. If it's able to break through this level, then the next target would be this level, and that basically is the August high. So there is a potential for a move up to this level if it's able to take out this level right here. Now, if I look at the hourly chart just to see what sort of pattern it's forming, you can see that clearly that it's been going sideways pretty much over the last few weeks. Now, this week, bears had an opportunity to do some damage. Since reaching this level, reaching this high, QQQ formed a lower high right here, and there was an opportunity to establish another lower high at this point. So this could have been, and then push it to this level or to this level, but that didn't materialize. The bulls took control after Apple reported better than expected earnings, and the non-farm payroll numbers came in, which showed that the labor market is still strong, and that sort of released some of the concern that we might have an imminent recession. So QQQ gapped up and closed right at the previous high. So the threat of a lower high basically got removed, and it made an equal high. So if the bulls are to take control of QQQ, there are a couple of ways I could see this playing out. One would be a shallow pullback and then break this level. So this would be quite positive. And in the process, it would then establish a higher low on a hourly basis. Another possibility is it breaks this level and then comes and retests this, and then off it goes. So that will confirm that this breakout has strength. So those are the couple of ways I could see things playing out if the bulls take control. For bears to take control, what would have to happen is that we would need to see a pullback and then a higher low like this. So that would then start to show weakness, in which case the target would be here and then this level, and possibly to this level. So those would be the possible ways I could see things playing out. So we'll see what happens in the next week. Now, next Wednesday we have the CPI report. Obviously, that's going to create a lot of volatility. So we'll see how things play out. But on a weekly basis, I'm seeing more positive than negative on QQQ. Thank you very much for watching the video.